Are your grocery bills climbing higher every month? You're not alone. But what if you could save hundreds of dollars without sacrificing quality or nutrition? Today, we're revealing 8 clever ways to drastically cut your grocery bills this month. Practical, proven tips that actually work. Let's dive in. Number 1. Shop with a plan. Impulse buys are budget killers. Create a weekly meal plan and stick to a detailed grocery list. Planning reduces waste, avoids duplicate purchases, and keeps you focused. Number 2. Use digital flyers and coupon apps. Apps like Flip or Rakuten highlight local deals, digital coupons, and cashback offers. A few extra minutes browsing can mean serious savings at checkout. Number 3. Choose store brands. Generic or store brand products often match the quality of big names at a fraction of the cost. For staples like rice, spices, or canned goods, this switch is a no-brainer. Number 4. Buy in bulk and freeze. Bulk purchases of meat, grains, and vegetables save money long-term. Freeze portioned amounts to avoid spoilage and reduce the number of trips to the store. Number 5. Compare price per unit. Ignore flashy packaging, focus on the unit price. It reveals the true cost per ounce or item, so you know exactly what deal you're getting. Number 6. Shop early or late in the day. Many stores discount items nearing their sell-by date in the morning or late evening. This is especially true for bakery, produce, and meat sections. Number 7. Take inventory before you shop. Know what's already in your fridge and pantry. Overbuying leads to waste and wasted money. A 3-minute scan can save you $30 or more. Number 8. Cook in batches. Batch cooking not only saves time, it also reduces the temptation to order takeout. Make meals in bulk and freeze portions for busy days. Let's recap. Plan your meals, use apps, choose store brands, buy in bulk, check unit prices, shop at the right time, take inventory, and batch cook. Simple changes, big impact. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more money-saving tips every week. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite grocery saving hack?